Kusaqhutshekwa nokuthi bethi MKP eyamaZulu kuphela ngoba futhi yavotelwa kakhulu eKZN because yathola 45%. Alikho elinye iqembu ngaphandle kuMKP lathola more than 20% eKZN. Okusho ukuthi uJacob Zuma bamvotela kakhulu ngoba abantu bazi ukuthi ungumZulu. Ngoba mawuthatha ukubheka futhi kwamanye ama-province MKP ayikho emandleni ukudlula eKZN. Ubesethi futhi kuze kuphumelele iteme elithi hlangana Zulu ngoba bese bazi ukuthi vele MKP eyamaZulu.
Wena wathi MK yamaZulu kuphela. Yes, absolutely. MK was voted almost more than 80%. It was Zulu people. Ingakho KwaZulu Natal MK yakwazi uthola 45%. Alikho iqembu laka lafika KwaZulu Natal even at 20%. Okutshela ngokusobala ukuthi uJacob Zuma was voted because he is Zulu. AmaZulu amaningi even in Gauteng abantu abahlala emahostela konquthu kuphi eKZN abantu abavote uJacob Zuma akonto abangamaZulu. Abantu kwakuthiwa hlangana Zulu even amakhosi abaqhamuka abasobala ukuthi basupport uJacob Zuma abobabuqhiliza nabona bonke abanye, it was Zulus. Angaze ngibone mina inkosi from other tribes iyakwazi support MK yaphuma ngokusobala. Siyabona nje sekurecruit opapapeni amatsonga like amashangane who's this abo Floyd Shivambu and many more, but we know very well we mustn't hide that abelungu mangabe benento yabo yabantu abamhlophe bayifihle leyo nto leyo ukuthi MK yamaZulu ikhombisa ngepercentage vote ukuthi obani abayivotelile yona yipi tribe evote ithole go goal MK ayinayo lento enayo njengamanje ayikho indawo ekwazi ukuyiwina noma mhlawumbe ekwazi ukuphumela besobala go goal kuyabana by elections even go Limpopo Mpumalanga awuyiboni MK even 1% ayiboni MK uyibona endaweni njengako Mpumalanga close to KZN nakhona straight KZN ngaphakathi kuma by election kwezindawo khohlwa ngendaba yeMK ukuthi yamaZulu kwakuthiwa hlangana ngokukhuluma khona la TikTok. Even Eastern Cape they rejected indaba yeMK. Amaxhosa amaningi abantu abangomxhosa abaningi rejected indaba yeMK. Manje angazi ukuthi uthini ngale nto le. Hamba ucheck ama state laphana itribe evote MK ukuthi yona yipi. And even check ama video before ukuthi kwakuthiwani. Kwakuthiwa hlangana Zulu hlangana umuntu omnyama. Manje angazi ukuthi uthini nganto isho nawe ukuthi uyithatha pha no oyiyekela propaganda nokhuluma ngento ngoba nisuwe nama fact nama stats nazo.